So please don't go and buy this one. If you have been using invigorating care or you have been using pampering care and you go to buy it and you did not see it and you see this one, do not buy it. They are
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow.
Hi besties, welcome and welcome back to today's video. Thank you for clicking today's on. So today we're going to be talking about this Dove Body Love Essential Care. I believe if you have gone to market to look for a Dove body lotion to buy, you must have seen this body lotion and you'll be thinking to yourself, should I buy this? Will it be good for my skin? Today, I'm going to be answering all of your questions about this particular Dove Essential Care. What skin type is supposed to use it? What skin complexion is it suitable for? Or we're going to be talking about the ingredients. I'm going to show you the consistency and basically tell you everything about it. I'm also going to show you a little bit how to know the original. If this is a first video of Dove you are seeing, I have made a detailed video of how to know original Dove from the fake, but I'm also going to be giving you tips on how to know the original if you have not seen that video, because there are a lot of fake Dove products in the market. Like if you go to 10 different shops, it is likely that 8 are selling fake. That's how serious it is. So you need to open your eyes anytime you are buying a Dove product. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is, okay, what is written here. It is written Dove Body Love Essential Care body lotion for dry skin. Okay, and it says long lasting care for soft, smooth and radiant skin with ceramide and restoring serum. Okay, so when we go to the back, this is what the back, so this is what the back is looking like. So this is what you have here and here. So this is where you have the better approved sign and all of that. The things you should look out for. You see here it is written 100% recycled, and then here it is written dermatologically test approved, also dermatologically approved, 100% recyclable bottle and PETA approved. So you need to look out for these things when you want to buy. Okay, I'm going to show you something else to look out for. So this place, it is written cap. Okay, plastic widely recycled, bottle plastic widely recycled. The head is transparent. Okay, it has a transparent head. So when you are buying your own, make sure it has a transparent head. Then this particular one is made in Germany. The Dove that is being shipped to Nigeria comes from 2 particular countries, either Asia, which is India, Singapore, or Germany. Okay, so you have the Germany own, you have the Asia own. Those are the, or that you can see the ones from US and all of those things. But me personally, I will not buy it unless I buy it directly from a US site. So I'm going to be very sure of what I'm buying. Okay, so this one is made in Germany. So the bottle is very soft. Like, can you see? You can compress this bottle and make it into any shape. So if you are buying your Dove body lotion and the bottle is not this soft, can you see it? The bottle is not malleable like this. The bottle cannot do like this. It is not the original one. You're going to see a lot of Dove products in the market and the bottle is strong. Once you just press it like this and it is not like this, please leave that particular product. Okay, so for the price, I bought this for 6,000 naira. But in normal shops, it is sold for 7,000 naira to 7,500 to 8,000 naira, depending on where you are buying it from. Now, talking about the ingredients of this particular one. Okay, on this channel, I have talked about invigorating care. I have talked about pampering care because those are the 2 I used in the past. I just bought this one, so I'm going to test it and see how it is. So it contains water, it contains glycerin, and it contains a lot of chemicals names here, which are basically emulsifiers. They are silicones, they are enhancers. You have activators, things that activate other product. So, and the oil it contains sunflower oil. So this one contains only sunflower oil. Okay, that's the only oil it contains here. Basically, every other thing here is just the things I have mentioned, and it contains about 2 to 3 about 2 to 3 ingredients here that has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. So it has anti-inflammatory ingredients and antioxidant ingredients in it. So just like I said, it has ingredients in it that serves as emollients and humectants, which is going to help to soften your skin and smoothen your skin and give you a radiant skin. Now, what complexion should use this particular lotion? For me, basically, for complexion wise, I would say this particular body lotion is for all complexions. It's for all complexions in the sense that if you just need a normal moisturizer, you are a dark person, you are a fair person, you are a caramel person, you are a white skin person, and you just need a moisturizer for your skin, a moisturizer that is not oily, a moisturizer that is going to leave your skin moisturized all day, a moisturizer that is not going to make you sweat, you can go for this moisturizer. This is just a plain skin moisturizer. This is a moisturizer that will soften your skin. Those are the benefits it's going to give to your skin. It is going to soften your skin, it is going to smoothen your skin, and it is going to keep your skin moisturized all day long. So if I'm to recommend this lotion to somebody, I am going to recommend it to someone with dry skin, just like it said here for dry skin. But if you have oily skin or you have normal skin, you can still use this product because it doesn't make you sweat and it doesn't contain a lot of oils. Like, they use ingredients that is going to moisturize your skin, but not basically oils that are going to leave your skin oily. No, okay. So it does have a lot of oil. So if you have oily skin, you can use it. But basically, it is for a dry skin person because that is why they have bombarded you with a lot of serums, a lot of things, activators, and all of that to help to keep your skin moisturized and hydrated all day long. So it is for a dry skin person. It is for someone experiencing dryness. You want, you are having this excessive dry skin and you need a body lotion that is going to help to you know hydrate your skin and moisturize your skin and give your skin that vibrance, that smoothness. This is the lotion for you. This is not brightening or anything of the sort. So please don't go and buy this one. If you have been using invigorating care or you have been using pampering care and you go to buy it and you did not see it and you see this one, do not buy it. They are not the same thing. You are not going to get the same result as the pampering care or the invigorating care. So that is what it is for this particular body lotion I have in my hands here. So let's look at the texture of it. It has this semi-runny texture, but because it is runny like this, do not be deceived. This particular body lotion is very, very moisturizing, and it has like it penetrates into the skin very, very well and gives this glowy effect. Like, look at, it glows your skin. So if you know you have a dry skin, you have a cranky skin, your skin is appearing dull, from dryness. This is like if you are in a cold region and it is, or maybe you're in Africa or you're in Nigeria, it's Hamatan and your skin is drying out. This is the best body lotion. Like, look at how my skin is looking at. So it plumps your skin and the penetration level is 100%. Like, I give it to Dove. This particular lotion penetrates into your skin easily. No matter the amount you put on your body, it is going to seep into your skin and just deeply moisturize and soften your skin. So if you are suffering from dryness, usually the people I recommend this body lotion for are people with aging skin that are experiencing excessive dry skin. Their skin is looking dry and cranky. This is the lotion for you. Essential Care is the lotion for you. But one thing I want to tell you is that this is not a brightening lotion. Not going to brighten you, neither is it going to darken you. Okay, that's so yeah. It's not going to do anything to your skin aside from softening your skin, smoothing your skin, plumping your skin, and just giving you that radiant skin. Like, it gives this shine. When you apply it to your skin, it looks like glass. Maybe I should apply it here. So you're going to like get what I'm talking about. Let me apply it on my shoulders for you. So like, it gives this shiny feel. It gives this shiny feel. Can you see that shine? It gives this shiny feel to the skin. Your skin is going to feel like glass. Do you get? Look at that shine. So I just wanted to show you a close-up. So this is a close-up look of the body lotion. What it looks like. Look at how shiny. Look at how shiny it is. So this is what you get when you use the essential care body lotion. It's so shiny on the skin. So this is a body lotion that when you use it, you don't need a body oil. You don't need a body oil because that effect a body oil is going to give you is the same effect. Only this body lotion is going to give you. Like, can you see? So shiny and very good on the skin. So that is it for this particular Dove Essential Care. It is a good cream and I'm going to rate it 8 over 10. Yes, that's a very high pass mark. I'm going to rate it 8 over 10. Okay, so yeah, if you want to get it, it is good. But if you want to get it, it is good. If you have used it before, let us know your thoughts in the comment section about this particular body lotion. Okay, so thank you for joining me on today's one. If you have any questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section, and I am always here for you.